welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be pretty exciting. You know, it's beautiful weather and we in an AMG, so why wouldn't it be? So basically what I was gonna tell you guys is today that my buddy's coming to pick up those carbon pieces you've seen in my last video. Right here, I got them in the back of the, right there, chilling. So yeah, right now I'm heading over to my pop's house. That's where we're gonna be meeting up at. Check out, well, I'm hoping that he came in his CLS. You know, getting to make connections with all these local CLS owners is pretty dope. You know, but right now while I'm driving, let me roll these windows up and I'll give you guys a little update. I didn't really get to do that too much on the last video. Turn the AC on. So in the near future, the new updates, what we're going to be doing to the car, because I know people are curious as to what's next. I am going to be wrapping the vehicle. So the vehicle's getting wrapped. I'm going to be doing a recording on that. So that's going to be the big thing that's coming next for the car. Then I'm going to be remaking a new how-to spark plug video, because the one that I did I'm not too excited about, and I've definitely learned some more stuff and I have some more things to add to it. So yeah, so I'll be making a new one of those videos. Then I'm going to be potentially doing a brake job video coming up. That does need to get done. And then, oh my goodness, ooh, this Lexus is clean. A little RCF carbon, looks good. I definitely also intend to get and install the new screen so that we can be running a 10-inch monitor that updates the interior, especially after seeing two of my buddies have it. Yeah, I feel like that's a must now at this point. Yeah, and then I'm not gonna do too many more mods really at this moment. I did tell you guys that I got a new toy. Yeah, I got that. And then I know a lot of people are asking, what's going on with the Ranger? Well, the Ranger's been sitting and it's dead. Dead. I need to put a new battery in it, and I need to get it to pass smog. I still haven't done that. And then get it tagged, and then I can start that project. Honestly, just been super backed up with work. But things are starting to smooth out and start having some more time. So start being able to make some more videos for you guys. So again, I really appreciate everybody that's been following along and subscribed. And I know I'm almost to that 1,000 mark, so I got to do something special for that 1,000 mark. I got to do some type of a giveaway, something, some sort. I might make a custom shirt, you know, or some custom stickers with the shirt, or you know, something depending on when we hit that 1,000 mark subscribers. I'll be doing some form of a giveaway off my social media. So you guys are gonna have to go get basically follow my IG, my Life of Frankie IG, and I'll be doing some form of a raffle on there, or you know, once I hit there. Basically you'll have to be followed to my YouTube page and my Instagram page, you know, and then like, I don't know, I'll figure something out. Everybody does it, so I mean, it shouldn't be that difficult to figure out how to make a raffle work. So but yeah, but just let me show you guys. Today is just beautiful. Sitting here driving the beast, you know what I mean? We're just cruising right now in traffic, waiting for my buddy Drip CLS to hit me up, so that way I can be more of a rush to get over there. So but yeah, just gotta be thankful for these days, because man, when it's 100 plus over here, it's just terrible. I don't even want to leave the house. I definitely want to go back on E85. So I think that, yeah, I think once I do the plugs again, I will be going back on E85. And I also want to be doing a meet again, try to make a meet where we get everybody together. AMGs rolling out. And yes, also once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, which I really hope we can all start pushing that, I will be dropping the video, you know, a video about, you know, what I love about my CLS, and then followed up by what I hate about the CLS, if there is anything, you know. And then I'll do well, I didn't get to quite do a 6-month review of the car, but we're gonna do basically a 1 year, you know, 1 year of what it's like owning my car. And then obviously we can do a maintenance, you know, what was it like maintaining my car for the year. And then we can also do a video like why you should buy one, or why you should consider one. So I feel like, you know, those are videos that people want to see. And definitely once I'm at the 1,000 subscriber mark and I'm monetized, you know, which is the goal, you know, then putting those type of videos out there to get those type of views is going to be beneficial. Right now, it wouldn't be too beneficial to make those videos at the moment, because they're not going to gain the amount of views that they could potentially, just because we're under that 1,000 subscriber mark, you know. So, you know, little by little, chip away, we chip away. Can't be making banger videos, getting all this editing, and then nobody sees it, you know. So, except for my diehards. So I'm gonna be doing some form of a limited merch drop as well. Obviously, it's gonna be something that I gotta spend some money on. And again, like I said, when I hit my 1,000 subscriber, I'll be doing a giveaway. And then depending on how the channel grows, you know, and about 6 months from there, you know, I don't know how many subscribers we'll be at by then, but you know, I would probably want to make some form of a merch, you know. So I definitely want people's ideas, you know, so that would be dope. So enough of my talking and rambling. I know you guys heard me a bunch now, you know, but it's been a minute. I haven't talked to you guys. So yeah, let's go meet up with this guy right here. Let's give him his carbon pieces and see what's gonna happen today. Maybe we might go do something, you know, maybe go get some pictures in, who knows. But yeah, drop a comment on what you guys think I should do besides all that other stuff. You know, I want to know, want to hear you guys' voices. And I definitely want to do another meet. Like I said, I want to do that. I want another meet where, you know, the only thing is I'm tired of driving everywhere. I want everybody to drive over here and we do a fat ass meet over here. But you know, in time. I'm not that popular yet. So my boy's about 20 minutes out, just hit me up right now. But some of you guys may ask, you know, how do you wash the AMG when you're in a rush and you can't take it to you know, someone to wash it for you or things like that. And this is what I do right here. I come to a touchless car wash. There's no rails and no driving in, and it just basically goes around your car and sprays it. Water all over, then soap on it, then pressure washes it all off and dries it. So pretty fresh. That's what I do when I need to wash my car into quickness. Cheap. So as you can see, it's an arm that just goes around the car. Spray soap. It's pretty chill. You know, and watch it goes through all these different stages depending on which wash you get. So I don't know. I just pay for the most expensive one. Hopefully it does a good job. Yeah, it's definitely doing hella extra. What's funny is I want to say that there's still a soaping period too. I don't even know what that first one was. Some type of extra bullshit that doesn't even do anything. Yeah, see, now it has the actual soap. The actual soap gets thrown on now. I guess it was polishing with the other one. Not sure exactly what it does, but now we throw the soap on, takes it off. It's pretty unique. This is definitely really good if your car is wrapped, you know, or like a chrome wrap too. Like you don't want any type of rags hitting it, you know. As long as you keep your car garaged and you just get this, you're good to go. Dang, you on the meats back here. Sheesh. Oh, and you got the other style, so that's the third style front lip.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I like the silver. The silver, you see so much more of the body.
Yeah. I like the black.
Well, that lip is.
So usually you would just cut this off.
Yeah, I built one. Yeah. I have one built in there. I gotta put on because my buddy just gave me one right now. So now I have one, and I have one that's built. So I'm gonna look the same right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they all. What is that? That's an oil cooler.
That's my
for your meth injection.
That's for E.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, you have that?
It's my reader.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I mean, that's like some spool. Dang, you're crazy.
No, he does. He'll put in gas in there, you know what I mean? Always does a full tank.
I just do the same type of. All right, they're gonna get going right now. But yeah, there they are together. CLS's. Sheesh. This sounds amazing too. Hell yeah. Got any shout outs or what?
Shout out to my car. Shout out to Run It, bro.
Yeah. Alright, and that's gonna do it for this video. I know it was really short, a lot of talking. There's just a lot I needed to say. So but hopefully you guys got through to this point and you know, are just excited about, like I said, I have a new toy, new project. I will be revealing that when this video posts 2 days from that. So I'm hoping that this video should post Thursday or Friday. I don't know which day this video is going to drop. So probably by this weekend though, you guys will know exactly what we got. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for following along. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go. You.